Gravity assisted pulse motor Graham project update. We had basically what was happening when the hammer, we did a manual test, and when the hammer swung out, it did it with so much force at when it came to the stop, that it was going to destroy itself and create a lot of trauma throughout the entire system. So we are abandoning that configuration, and we're going to go with a Dmitriev configuration where the weight swings out on a one-way bearing and becomes parallel, with the primary rotor, and that'll make the one side heavier. And the other thing we're changing is we're going to a slide, or it'll be a pulse motor with an unbalanced wheel on a glide swing that will be attached to a long lever arm that will swing back and forth. There's a one-way bearing at the main drive shaft, and that'll cause the whole system to that's what'll power the whole system. And at this point, what I believe is the pulse motor with the overbalanced flywheel will remain constant, because the systems are basically isolated, so no load will ever be placed on the pulse motor that's driving the whole thing. So again, the one-way bearings really help. They're throughout the system. They'll be in 3 locations. They'll be at the end of the primary rotor. They're at the end of the pendulum lever drive, and there's one installed at the Blue Gear over there. So there's real handy things to have, and it makes the whole thing safer if you get trapped, or if you're silly enough to get in a pinch point. It will hopefully not hurt you too much, or hurt me too much. But we'll definitely try to avoid that at all costs. But so a swing glide, pulse motor, unbalanced wheel will drive the system. It'll transfer the drive, through the entire thing, and or a drive force through the entire system. And you can see I got to tighten up some bolts, but that's the basic idea. So we'll finish the slide, the slide swing, and proceed testing. So hey, thanks for taking the time and the efforts to watch, and enjoy the day. Cheers.